Good morning. Today we are trying to cook cornbread for the first time. How does it sound? Great? It's great. Okay, so we'll need 140 grams of corn flour. Come on. Wheat flour, 120 grams. Wheat flour. Whisk. Nice. The baking powder. So a little bit of salt and honey.
Honey.
240 milliliters of milk. Okay, come on, crack 2 eggs. 120 grams of Greek yogurt. Chocolate butter.
It's yellow and orange. You mix.
Good job.
Ito nila kuptor.
Yeah, let's put into the oven. Our cornbread is ready. Smells delicious. Is fluffy inside, and I would recommend this recipe to each parent. It's healthy and it's delicious. Come on, taste. What do you think? It's good or not good? It's good. Nice. Let me try. It's good. Betty, try this. Betty, vem cá. Come.
Betty mananca.
Betty.
Betty mananca.
If you like our recipe, please subscribe and write in the comments below what would you like us to cook next. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
No.